clear skin, say goodbye to pimples. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to everyone's heart: clear and radiant skin. If you've been battling those pesky pimples, you're in the right place, and we'll explore how to get rid of pimples, effective acne treatments, and some crucial do's and don'ts for flawless skin. Segment 1. Understanding pimples. First things first, what exactly are pimples? Pimples are caused by the overproduction of oil-clogged pores and bacteria. Stress, diet, and hormones can also play a role. Now, let's move on to some quick and effective remedies. Segment 2. DIY remedies. Let's kick things off with some do-it-yourself remedies. 1 word: tea tree oil, known for its antibacterial properties. Applying a diluted mixture can help reduce inflammation and kill acne-causing bacteria. Another fantastic option is a honey and cinnamon mask. Mix equal parts honey and cinnamon, apply it to affected areas, and let it work its magic for about 15 minutes. Rinse and foil. Segment 3. Acne treatment options. If you're looking for more potent solutions, there are some excellent acne treatments available. Over-the-counter products with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide can help unclog pores and reduce inflammation. However, it's crucial to start with a lower concentration to avoid irritation. Segment 4. Do's and don'ts for clear skin. Now, let's talk about some important do's and don'ts. Single quotes: ts.to maintain that clear complexion. Do cleanse your face twice a day, but don't overdo it. Over-cleansing can strip your skin of natural oils, leading to more breakouts. Do stay hydrated. Water is your skin's best friend. And don't forget to protect your skin from the sun. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. And there you have it, a quick guide to saying goodbye to pimples and hello to clear, radiant skin. Remember, consistency is key. I'm Minhu, signing off. Until next time, stay beautiful and confident. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.